What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I thought I would share with you my nighttime skincare routine. Changed a little bit, and this routine really has been working for me, but I want to show you a slightly different routine when I use my SiO patches because it's basically the same but slightly different, and I really love incorporating these at night, pretty much every night, you know, give or take a few nights when I'm lazy. First thing that I obviously do is wash my face. It is from the Zoe Skin Health by Obagi, and this is the normal to oily exfoliating cleanser. It's got some beads in it, and normally I would use it with the Frio, but since I'm gonna be exfoliating with this guy, I'm probably not gonna use this. Okay, so I'm just going to take the cleanser, and you can see this is what the beads look like. I love this cleanser. The beads are not harsh at all. It basically, they kind of disperse into foam. You can use your Clarisonic or the Frio with this because it's just a very gentle exfoliation. But I just like to get it really, really smooth before I apply those patches, and it smells so good. It smells like citrus. So my face is rinsed, it's slightly damp, and then I'm gonna go back with the exfoliating polish. This smells like tea tree oil. It smells really good, and it's pretty much the closest thing you're gonna get to microdermabrasion. And I love the way my skin feels after I use this product. She uses this on me when I do my hydrofacials, and it just feels like it helps every product sink in better, and oh, it's so good. So I'm gonna go rinse my face and then I'll be back. Okay, next is my toner, and I love these complexion pads by Obagi. They are just really refreshing. They're gentle. You can get these or the acne ones that I think help treat acne. What I do is I cut them in half just so I can just get more usage out of them. So I'm just gonna use this all over my face. Okay, so now normally I will apply like my serums and moisturizers, but I'm going to apply the patches first because SiO recommends that if you use serums or moisturizers under these patches, that it can be very irritating to the skin. It's never really irritated my skin, but it could. So I just apply these first and then just put my serums and moisturizers around the pads. So the ones that I have are the facelift patches. I love these because it just really smooths out the skin and the wrinkles. So you can apply them in like different ways. So this is what I do. You can reuse these up to 15 times if you don't know that. Patches here for either around your eyes or around your mouth, and then a neck and forehead one. I'm gonna apply these patches first. These are made with medical grade silicone. So they're dermatologist recommended. They're safe to use on your face. So I'm just gonna apply this right here. The deepest lines that I have is around my mouth. I don't know. Okay, so then, and they stick really nicely. It's really nice because these are preventative and corrective, so they work overnight and over time. So you really get a lot of bang for your buck. I'm gonna put on the neck one. I'm just gonna put it right here because that is where the majority of my necklines are, but sometimes I'll wear it up here because I have just to kind of smooth that out. Oh, it sucks to get old. So I'm just gonna put that right there. This, I really do feel like if you're going out for like a big night, that this really does smooth out your wrinkles. So this one is the forehead, which I don't have a lot of wrinkles on my forehead. I do Botox there, but this is a really great option if you want to extend out your Botox. So I'm just gonna put this right here. And oh, it feels so good. apply, you know, my products to the rest of my face. Got them all on here. What I like to use at night, I either use two products. I either use the Retin-A, which I'm not going to use tonight, or I just use this growth factor serum from Obagi. I love this product. It kind of doubles as a moisturizer because it's very thick, and you can tell that it's kind of like this, just like this jelly consistency, really moisturizing too. That's the good thing about it, is that if you don't like wearing a moisturizer at night, or you've got oily skin, this is a great one. So I'm just gonna put that around the patches. I'm actually gonna use the Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm to go underneath the eye. This just helps with moisture and darkness. I see it help more with the moisture factor, not so much like darkness. And that is it. I feel like less is more when it comes to skincare these days. I used to like use 50 million products, but I feel like since I've cut back on my skincare and just using like 3 or 4 products and then these, my skin has actually looked better. So I will put the link below to SiO. I absolutely love these patches. I feel like when I wake up, my skin is smooth, my lines are smoothed out, it doesn't irritate the skin. They're really comfortable on, actually. Especially these. I like sometimes walk around like just using these. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about these pads. I love them. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.